Hello, my name is Shahnawaz Ahmed. I am from Delhi. I am a professional tutor. I teach spoken English and train students for IELTS. I hold master's degree in English literature and I have been teaching spoken English and the IELTS curriculum for approximately 10 years now. I have trained approximately 1,000 students who are settling in different countries after completion of their IELTS. I have been teaching online for approximately 5 years and my students are from different countries like Nigeria, Zimbabwe, South Africa, US and different other countries. As far as my teaching style goes, I diagnose the problem with the students to start with and after that set a mutually agreed goal and based on that understand their level. I address the questions the students may have and answer them in proper sequence. I set a target with the student and after that we decide mutually agreed path that will lead us to that and then we work towards it in such a way that we reach there in a wonderful way. I keep track of the students' progress individually and discuss it with them so that we can concentrate on their progress based on the feedback given to them. I have been taking online classes from the very beginning, that means when it just started. That's why I'm well versed with the technological part and that's why apart from the skill and the knowledge, these technology related knowledge also come handy in teaching the students in an excellent way. Moreover, I keep myself updated about the new technological advancement in teaching industry so that I can help my students benefit from it.